Hello there, this is Michael with Insurance Agency Automation Associates, demonstrating a couple quick tips about how to use some tools in Outlook and in Word to help you build better emails and letters and avoid multiple typing. So let's say I was in my newsletter here, or my Word document here, and I was always typing this message right here. I've attached a certificate of insurance recorded or whatever. Or I'm saying I'm pleased to enclose the delivery of his endorsement and all that other fun stuff. Yes, I could have it in a signature, but then I would only be able to use one signature, okay, in an email particularly. So instead of doing that, once I've typed the message, I'm going to use a thing called Quick Parts. So I'm going to highlight the message that I got here, okay? And then I go to my Insert ribbon, and then come over here to my text and go to Quick Parts and click Quick Parts, and I'll say I want to save that to my Quick Part gallery. So to bring it up, and then I label it. I'm going to say endorsement. I'm not going to worry about the gallery size, and the gallery name and all that. I'm going to leave it generic, but you could edit it down the road if you had enough of them. And then I'll just say OK. So the big difference between using this and other things, signatures for example, when we get to email here in a moment, is I can use multiples of this. So here again I've got a certificate one, and I'm going to save that as well. So again, insert, Quick Parts, save the gallery, and I'm going to call this endorsement delivery. Whoops, that's cert delivery. But maybe I have multiple versions of this endorsement one that say additional premium. This has developed an AP of X number of dollars. Let's just have fun with it. Okay, so I could go save that in there as well and then have different version of endorsement delivery. But what if I just copied this piece here? Again, insert, Quick Parts, save the gallery, and I'm going to say AP. Say OK. Now maybe, now I'm abbreviating AP, of course, in real client letter I'd probably say differently. Now I'm going to change that to return premium. Again, highlight it, insert, go to Quick Parts, add it there, and I'm going to say RP. Okay. So now I'm ready to, I'll leave that other item there for later. So now I'm ready to use this. Okay, so again I go to my insert, my Quick Parts, and I'm going to say endorse. Now I have some other stuff in here that are related to what I actually use this for, but again this is how it comes in. So there's my endorsement. Okay, now I say I want to put that premium part in here. So now I'm just going to put that blank space, and I could have left that blank space in my template if I was smart enough. Okay, come back over to insert again, Quick Parts, and now I'm going to say I want my RP or my AP, whichever way it was. Well, there you are. Additional premium, and there it pops it in. So with Quick Parts I can use multiple pieces in building this. Okay, now down here when I get my signature, again I'm in Word right now, but some of these same features, all these same features work in Outlook, and I'll show that in a moment. So I'm in Word, and I got, maybe I'm a processing person or a data entry person, and I don't have my own signature there. I want somebody else's there. So I can capture an image. I scanned this in earlier and I dropped it in here, and that time I'm going to go to Insert. This time I'm going to go to Quick Parts, and I'm going to say save that to the Quick Part gallery, and I'm going to call it signature. Okay, so I get my body of the letter in. Okay, and this is Joe's signature or Sally's signature, whatever, so I'd have that in there. Again, I come over to Insert, Quick Parts, and I look for my signature. Where was that puppy? There it is. There's the signature, and it's all in there. Now I could have put some other information there. I could have an image of the agency structure for signatures with the title and the copy of the email address and all that there, and have all that information there. So good. So that's the advantage of QuickParts and being able to build that. Now I'm going to go over to Outlook here in a moment. Where are you at? There you are. I have my email message here. Again, I'm going to come to my insert, and I'm going to come over to QuickParts, and all that same stuff is there. So maybe I have, and you can see my own lines. Where are you hiding at? There it is. Go back up to the top. So I can come in here and put any of these things in here. Now I do have to add them back in here the same way. So I'm going to use some of the things that I use. Like when I go visit my clients, I use this one. I give them a report about my visit. Maybe I want to tell them also how to subscribe to my newsletter or see past issues of my newsletter, so I have that in here as well, and I just click it there, and I just keep building it. Now I do have to worry about the fonts. Notice that's a different font, so I still have to worry about that. Yes, you can do this in signatures here, and you can see I have a bunch of different signatures, but then it's one by one by one. It's either going to be the whole thing, not pieces. So again, by using QuickParts, I can build pieces here. So again, to add them over here in QuickParts into Outlook, inside of the email, insert, QuickParts, save to gallery. I don't want to save this one actually because I already have it there. And it's as simple as that. So the goal here is to allow you to build email messages and Word messages without having to type the whole thing over and over and over again, saving you time and also giving you clarity of message so that with the same message. Yes, you can do it in at least in the email and Outlook portion. You can do it as signature, but again, you can only use one signature at a time. You can't use multiple signatures. I'll demonstrate that. So here, I'm going to go over here to my signature file. I'm going to pick up this one. Now the signature I had, notice it switched. It went to one of the volunteer things I do. So I can't have multiple signatures. I can only have one. That means the whole body's got to be right, and I don't want to do that. So hopefully that was helpful to you. Again, this has been Michael with Insurance Agency Automation Associates. You can come here to my webpage and you can sign up for my newsletter if you're not already on it. That's ins-automation.com. I hope this is beneficial to you and enjoyed it. Thank you.